HP Pavilion Aero 13. When it comes to laptops, finding the perfect balance between performance, portability, and design can be a daunting task. However, the HP Pavilion Aero Laptop 13 effortlessly nails all these aspects, making it a top contender in the ultrabook market. Design and portability. The first thing that strikes you about the HP Pavilion Aero Laptop 13 is its stunning design. It's incredibly slim and lightweight, making it perfect for on-the-go professionals and students. The mineral silver finish gives it a premium look and feel, while the slim bezels around the 13.3-inch display maximize the screen real estate without increasing the laptop's footprint. Display. The laptop's full HD IPS display provides sharp and vibrant visuals. While it's not a 4K panel, it more than makes up for it with its color accuracy and wide viewing angles. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series or working on a presentation, the display doesn't disappoint. Performance. Under the hood, the HP Pavilion Aero Laptop 13 boasts the power of AMD Ryzen processors 5800U CPU with 16GB of RAM. On the Geekbench 5.4 overall performance test, the Aero 13 scored 5,876, which is solid for its price. It even sped past the XPS 13 OLED with an Intel Core i7-1185G7, 5420, and the ThinkPad X13 with a Ryzen 5 Pro 4650U, 4935. However, the ZenBook 13's Ryzen 7 5700U CPU, 6411, overcame the Aero 13, measured the transfer rate of the 512GB SSD in our Aero 13 at 503 MB per second, which isn't very fast compared with the ZenBook 13's 512GB SSD, 873 MB per second, the Dell XPS 13's 512GB SSD, 742 MB per second, and the ThinkPad X13's 256GB SSD, 747 MB per second. However, for more demanding tasks like heavy video rendering or gaming, you might want to consider a more powerful configuration. Battery life. One of the standout features of this laptop is its exceptional battery life. HP claims up to 10 hours of use on a single charge, and in my testing, it came close to that mark. This longevity is a game changer for those who rely on their laptops for work or school while on the move. Keyboard and touchpad. The keyboard on the HP Pavilion Aero Laptop 13 is comfortable to type on, with decent key travel and tactile feedback. The precision touchpad is responsive and supports multi-finger gestures, enhancing overall productivity. Connectivity. In terms of connectivity, this laptop offers a good selection of ports, including USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and a headphone jack. While it lacks an SD card reader, it covers most bases for everyday use. Conclusion. The HP Pavilion Aero Laptop 13 is a superb ultrabook that delivers on multiple fronts. Its sleek design, long battery life, and solid performance make it an excellent choice for students and professionals alike. While it may not be a powerhouse for gaming or heavy video editing, it excels in everyday tasks and portable computing needs. If you're in the market for a stylish, lightweight laptop with impressive endurance, the HP Pavilion Aero Laptop 13 is a fantastic option that won't disappoint. If you purchase this product, please check the description. Hey there, amazing viewers! If you've been enjoying the content so far, if you want to watch this type of video, so don't wait, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and become an integral part of our YouTube family. Thanks for subscribe and welcome to the family.